This is an update to my previous video where I'm having trouble browsing music on Spotify using Android Auto. So right now I'm going to show you that problem has been resolved in the latest patch, which I believe was available on 4.3. So you can check Google Play Store, update your Spotify, and if you're having this issue, it'll go away. So when we go into the menu on Spotify, you would select Browse. You would get a list of categories, and what would happen is when you pushed on them, you would get no data. So now when you push on them, you actually get subcategories. And by the way, I apologize for the lighting. It looks a lot better in person. Don't blame the phone camera. And then there, you just, boom, you're in. Everything's working perfectly now. So just go ahead and update and your Spotify will work perfectly fine. There you go. Boom. Yes, motivational music. That's what I need this morning. Thanks, guys.